Hello, I'm Dr. Rahul and we run a chain of clinics called Signature Smiles in Mumbai. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about dental decay, which unfortunately is one of the most ignored thing by the patient. So basically this dental decay affects our tooth at three different levels. First level is when it is just superficial, confined within the outer surface of the tooth. It is ignored at this stage. Why? Because a patient never experiences any kind of pain or sensitivity because our enamel does not have any nerves. If a patient visits a dentist routinely, these cavities, these superficial cavities would be detected and they can be treated by a normal dental filling. However, if it is ignored, the decay can advance to the next level, which is grade 2, and the cavity then enters the second layer of the tooth, which is the dentine. Now this dentine, this second layer, has got nerve endings, so the patient can experience pain, or not pain really, but he can experience sensitivity. If it is still ignored, it would advance to the next level and it would enter the nerve, or the pulp as we call it. Once it enters the pulp, then the patient would experience extreme sensitivity or extreme pain. During this period, the patient has to visit a dentist, and now the dentist cannot do a filling in that particular tooth. Why? Because it has crossed that level. Now this infection needs to be treated by doing a root canal treatment. If in certain cases, if the patient still, because of mere phobia or fear to going to a dental clinic or a dentist, if he still tends to take some medicines and ignore it, then the cavity would destroy the tooth completely, and then the patient has to have an extraction. So now the treatment becomes more expensive and extensive as well. Now multiple visits would be required. The expense of having implants or bridges or some other treatment modality comes into the picture. That is why it is very important to visit a dentist once in 6 months, have a checkup, have a basic cleanup, so that if there is any problem, it can be treated at a basic level rather than it getting bigger and you have to have more or something major treatment done. If you're looking for any kind of dental services or you're looking for a routine checkup, you can find us on Lybrate. Thank you.